Hello guys, ICanFixIt here. In today's episode we are going to talk about how to change the air filter in my Skoda Fabia 2012. I recommend you guys to change the air filter once a year or every 10,000 kilometers. Okay guys, let's change the filter.
So first thing to do is open the car hood. This is our air filter cover. To open this cover you will need to open 5 screws. You will need the standard Phillips screwdriver to open the screws. Pull out the engine air connector and just pull out the cover. Put the cover on the side meanwhile. And there you go, this is our filter. Just take the filter out. This is our new filter. As you can see, you can't put it wrong, the sharps will need to fit well. After you're done putting the new filter, take the filter cover back. The filter cover have 4 edges, they need to fit into the 4 holes. Don't forget to connect the engine air connector. After you place the filter cover well, just screw it back.
And that's how you change the air filter in your car. Thank you very much for watching this video guys. If you want to see more guides like this one, please subscribe. And if you already changed the air filter in your car, please follow up the next video in the end screen.